The baby. It's okay. Oh. I have to take you to the maternity. I'm coming.
Hurry!
I'm coming. Hold on.
Lona, where are you?
Wait. He's strong.
Say that again.
Easy.
Oh! Leave your slippers!
Easy.
Her demons.
The blood moon wakes. The blood moon wakes.
Her demons.
Now is the time. Now is the time.
Her demons.
Now is the hour. Now is the hour.
A gatherer of souls throughout the land we are. An epoch of fathomless impurity maligned. Beware of me and my title. Let the process begin.
Ours is magic. Ours is power. 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 Ours is power. Ours is magic. Ours is power. Ours is magic. Ours is power. Ours is magic. Ours is power. What was dead again shall feel. 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 What
Sorry. Mama! My wife is in labor! Easy. Be strong, please. Just be strong. Be strong for me, please. Be strong. My waist! I'm holding it! Sorry. Mama, please, relax. Let me take her to the maternity, please. Just relax. Let me come back. Sorry.
Hold her away.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Sorry.
No. You hold my waist.
Okay. Sorry. Mama, I'll be right back. Baby, let's go. Can we? Please don't do this to me, please. Let's go. Sorry! So...
Wait.
Sorry. We'll soon be there. Okay? Easy, please. Just be strong. Just be strong.
Call something now. I can't
Just be strong. Yes, I am taking her to the maternity. Okay. What is wrong with your wife?
Snake bite. I'm taking her to Malicha's house.
It's okay. Okay, I know. Come on, stay here. Let me go and get Keke. I want to get Keke. Eh? Come. Sorry. Don't worry, I'll get the Keke, alright? Sorry.
Stubborn and ardent clinging to one's decision is the best way to prove stupidity. Many are stubborn in pursuit of the path they have chosen, and it gives me great pleasure to see the stubbornness of an incorrigible fool lead him to ashes. Retrieve now!
Never! You do not own me. I was molded by my chi. Through the lineage of my ancestors, I flickered through. Oh, my unborn child. Mine. Our lives are safely guarded by my ancestors. You will do me no harm.
Our own will clamor. Be careful. Be careful not to trespass from the line of the path that has been placed upon you. The witches brew, and the stubborn ones are used as ingredients for the brew.
You and your cohorts have tormented me enough. Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
This is my wife, please. Please. No. Let's go to the maternity. Sorry. No.
Mama. Okiana reri fonyo mwanya. I can hear the rolling thunder. This rain is a bad omen. Fiakwa! Mama.
Always be. Ours we are, and ours we shall always be. Ours we are, and ours we shall always be.
When she sleeps, her spirit slips away and dances naked with her demons.
The witches who wrestle are different species, calling things that do not have names.
Now is the time. This is the hour. Ours is magic. Ours is power.
Our witchcraft had been crafted in the darkness between the stars. We were dead, but then we were reborn as witches. Our lineage,
Stronger.
our blood,
Thicker. Our clan. Ours to protect.
come, and I will take you into the land of enchantment, where you join the feast of the witches and dine with the demons.
Ours you are, and ours you shall always be. Ours you are, and ours you shall always be. Ours you are, and ours you shall always be. As you are, and as you shall always be. As you are, and as you shall always be. As you are, and as you shall always be. As you are, and as you shall always be.
I am here. I'm pressing it already. I'm here. I'm right behind you. Oh, be strong.
Just take it easy,
You are strong here. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I'll be here praying for you.
Keep trying. You can reach. Push. The baby head is coming out. Push. Sleep on legs. Be strong. Be strong. Push. You can reach. You can reach. You can reach. Mind your leg. Mind your leg. The baby. Mind your leg. You don't get the video. Mind your leg. Yes, you can reach. You can reach. You can reach. I believe you can reach. Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying. Mind your leg. Mind your leg. Don't move your leg. Keep it moving. So the baby will not get you. Keep trying. Congratulations, sir. You have a bouncing baby girl.
Hey! Bouncing baby girl! Hey! Thank you so much. You don't know what you've done. Can I go and see them?
Yes, you can. Blow the baby.
I'm a father. I'm a father. You made me stand out among my peers. I will live to cherish this moment. I promise I will not forget this day. I promise you, I will never forget this day.
Hey, here is your baby.
Did you see this? Beautiful.
And here is your baby placenta. When coming back, please don't forget to buy baby diaper.
I will do that.
And the least but not the last. Get us card for the latest month.
I will. Hey.
When you take a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Now you have taken the trifling decision of yours. Let the renunciation begin.
Mama to the border. The border the former mellow. Mama! Guess good. Guess what now?
No. Go ahead, I'm all ears.
Hey! Mama! The God has finally put a smile on our faces. Mama! Adao Lonna is finally here! And you are now a grandmother. Mama, I am so happy. In fact, I am the happiest man on earth. I am going to dance. I will sing. I will shout and let the villagers hear my voice today that I am now a father.
Oh, come on.
Mama, just imagine my daughter call me daddy. And I respond, my daughter. How does that make you feel? I am so happy. Mama, let me quickly bury this placenta behind the house.
Oh, you came with it?
Yes, it is here. And also rush to the chemist and get diapers for my wife. And also the things that the midwife requested of me to bring. Mama, be happy now. You're not happy, Mama. You're not happy. Mama, are you ready?
Finally, it is happening. Gods of my mothers. Nendine, your offspring is here. A kind mother will not let her own out of her sight. Nukune, Nemalobi nwa. Please, don't let anything happen to your own. Please, shade us, protect us. Let this bondage be over. Please, please.
Today, I bless you, my child. You are a blessing. Whoever curses you shall be cursed. Whoever blesses you shall be blessed. You shall prosper more than your parents. As I bury this placenta today, I bury every bad energy that came with you to this world. I bury all the agony, the pain, the penury in this land. I pray that you will be prosperous. You shall be greater than your equals. Yes, as a father, I say that the blessing that the Lord has given to me, I pour upon you. You shall be blessed. Today, you shall be blessed in the morning, and you shall be blessed in the night, and so shall it be. He say, so shall it be.
Give me back my baby. She's mine. Give her back to me.
Yours, you say?
Do you deny the eyes, the tears when triggered, or blood when injured?
Do you deny the cloud, rain when it's darkened and awaits to pour? Or the desert, its dryness?
Yours, you say? You will not deny yours what belongs to us. For our bloodline she is. You are, and all that comes after you are, for it is
Never!
evil.
My baby is mine and not yours. Give her to me now! Give her back to me!
How dare you think you own yourself? How dare you conceive a thought so foolish that you must decide what happens in your life? We make the decision because we own you, and of course her.
Basiki Gabu, when baby. As you are, as you shall always be. As you are, as you shall always be. As you are, and as you shall always be. As you are, and as you shall always be.
Baby, nothing will happen to you. You're blessed. You're blessed. You're blessed. You're...
What is it? Oh my God, you're bleeding. I'm coming.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Oh, everything is inside. What's your account?
91. Okay, thank you, sir. Congratulations once again. Bye-bye, sir.
I am telling you. See, help me thank God. That is what I'm saying. My wife just delivered a bouncing baby girl. I am now a father. Thank you. Drink? That's an understatement now. You will drink and drink yourself to stupor. Thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Hey! Hey! Chukwu Abiyama. Thank you. Chukwu Nidima, Nidima, Idima, Chineke mu.
Hello? Hello? Ulonna, it's me, the midwife. Please, you need to come to the hospital immediately. Your wife is bleeding.
My wife is bleeding? Jesus Christ! Please, let nothing happen to my wife. I'm coming there right away. Hey!
Guy, maybe this guy now. What did they do now?
Oba, I don't buy him now.
Maybe this guy, see the guy wait for show us now. See him now.
Ha!
Guy,
see, Baba, move this guy. No time. Move him. Ha! Yeah, come.
Yes, come in.
Doctor,
Yes.
the oxytocin injection does not have any effect on her body. She is bleeding seriously.
What of her husband?
He's not here yet. Even his phone line is not connecting.
Oh, God. Keep trying here because we need him here.
Yes.
Wait!
She's losing strength. Apart from her husband, is there another family member around?
Not.
Because she's really going to need this blood transfusion.
Not at all, doctor. The husband is not yet back.
We can't afford to lose her. I want you to go now and keep calling him. Keep calling his number. We have to get him.
I don't even know any of her family members. I don't even know where she lives. How am I supposed to get to her house?
This is crazy. Why can't this man be picking up his calls in this kind of situation?
Nurse, God, what is going on? Where's my wife?
That man is very stupid. If anything happens to that woman, I personally will not forgive him.
I am
So
here.
let's go inside.
I'm standing. What are you talking about? What is wrong with my wife? Can't you see me? Nurse! Nurse!
Obium, what is wrong? Are you alright? Obium. Alright, so get these drugs from the pharmacy, okay?
Alright, sir.
And take them religiously. I've written the dosage down, okay? And you'll be fine.
Alright.
Alright?
Thank you so much.
Yes, come in. Yes. What is the situation? Have you been able to find any of her relatives?
Not at all, sir. All she needs now is blood transfusion. And how can we carry such task without the family's consent?
Oh, God. And there is no blood in our blood bank that matches hers.
No. I'm sorry to say this, sir. If we wait any longer, we might lose her.
You know what? We'll have to proceed. I'm O negative, okay? So,
oh my God.
Yes, I'm O negative, so we're going to have to proceed. I will donate bill for her pending when her husband or any of the relatives show up, okay? So quickly get the needle, get the
God
pass.
bless you. I'm coming now.
Okay, quickly.
Okay, sir.
Nurse, can you hear me? I'm talking to you.
Nurse, go quickly, get the blood bag and needle ready. Nurse, the doctor wants to donate blood for her.
Okay.
Just...
Can someone talk to me? What is going on here? No, I'm talking. Where's my phone? Where is the... Yes, I know. I was holding a bag containing the diaper. Where did I keep them? Doctor, can you hear me? Doctor, I'm talking to you. Doctor.
Doctor,
yes.
We are ready for the blood transfusion.
Okay, alright, that's good. Let's go.
Doctor, thank you for trying to save the life of my wife. Doctor! Doctor! Mama? Mama? Mama, can you see me? Mama? Can you hear me? Mama? Mama, don't tell me you can't see or hear me. Mama!
I'm begging you, please. Have mercy for once. Please have mercy on my child. You have taken enough. You have taken enough. You have taken enough.
Mama, what are you talking about? Mama, can you see me? Mama, I'm here. Mama? Mama? What is this? Mama. Ah! Jesus! Mama, you are in hell!
Sorry.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your gesture.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Can I have my stick?
Thank you once again for your kind gestures.
Thank you very much.
Mama, can you now see me? Mama, I'm here. Mama, can you see me? Can't you hear me? Mama! Young lady, can you see me? Can you hear me?
Like the mockingbirds,
We laugh.
over your predicament,
We laugh.
over your sorrows and pain,
We laugh.
over your misery and afflictions.
We laugh.
Your penance have begun. You shall gnash your teeth. You shall seek death, but you will not find it. Just like the endless void will your pain become. You seek that which you cannot have. We shall give your renunciation, just like the crows of the sky feasting on cups.
By blood we break the seal. By blood we cause the oath. By name red moon cause we death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we cause the oath. By name red moon cause we death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cause we death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death. By blood we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon cross with death.
If I were her, once I'm out of this hospital, I would divorce that man with immediate effect.
You never can tell what really happened to him. Thank God she's stable.
Yeah,
just keep an eye on her. Okay. Check her temperature. Let me see the doctor.
Alright.
Where is my son-in-law and his wife? Have you seen them?
No, Mama. They haven't returned yet.
What could be the problem? Please, take me to the hospital. Let me go and see them. I need to see my daughter and my son-in-law.
I'm here now. I am here. I don't know what is happening to me. I don't know why you're not seeing me.
Please, I want to see my daughter. My son-in-law. Mama.
Mama, I trust brother. I know that he can take care of himself and his wife. And they will return home safely.
Hey,
don't need to worry yourself.
It's late already and now they are not here.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Thank you, oh. Thank you for helping me, no? God bless you. Hey, Daloso. Oh, thank you.
Mama, my mother will be worried by now. I need to go home. I'll check up on you tomorrow.
You are right, my daughter. Oh, no problem. You've done well, oh? Daloso. I will. Hey! Can I sleep in this house all alone? What do I do? What do I do? My son-in-law is yet to be back. I've not seen my daughter. How can I stay in this place all alone? Hey!
Deserted.
Forgotten. Unremembered.
Your lineage shall become. You were once told to stay in the path you were placed upon. So you shall embrace your destiny. But willingly you refused. Therefore, willingly we shall make you suffer.
Willingly we shall make you suffer.
Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer.
Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer. Willingly you refuse. Willingly we shall make you suffer.
Gasizi mmiri ezona n'ụwa Gangasizi anwachana n'ụwa When the cloud is dark is the sign of rain. The desert is always dry. Chimo comes to me, oh comes to me, Gasizi mmiri ezona n'ụwa Gangasizi anwachana n'ụwa When the cloud is dark is the sign of rain. The desert is always dry. Chimo comes to me, oh comes to me.
Doctor, where's my wife? Where's my wife and my child? I went to the maternity ward and I can't find any of them.
They've been discharged.
What? Who paid their bills?
His friend. His friend came and paid their bills and they left not long ago.
Oh, thank God! That lady's husband needs to be put in lace. He is not fit to be a husband. Imagine, throughout yesterday, he was nowhere to be found. But thank God.
They are alive and well. And they are safe now. That's the most important thing. Okay?
Thank God. Okay, doctor. I'll take my leave.
Doctor, what is going on here? I'm here standing before you. Can't you see me? Oh, I'm sure you're not trying to make me a fool or what? What's going on here? Doctor! Doctor! Doctor, I'm here for Christ's sake!
You shall be a blessing to your parents. Your parents will be glad you came. Your ancestors will bestow you with blessings. And your forefathers, the Nanaya, they will carry you until you stand your ground. Nothing, absolutely nothing will take you away from us. No, welcome.
Mama, where is my husband? No, my dear. This is not what you need now. What you need is rest. Yes. Rest? You need a lot of it. You know what you passed through at the hospital?
Rest, you say? When I do not know the whereabouts of my husband. Where is he?
He'll come back, oh?
Mama, where is he?
Calm down.
Your husband will come back to you. I believe that whatever must have happened for a reason.
Yes.
A reason that made him abandon us and left me to die?
No. Don't say that. We know that your husband loves you so much. Yes, everyone here knows that he doesn't take you for granted. He places your name first everywhere he goes. Biko.
Your husband will surely come back to you. Biko, we have to take our leave now.
I don't know what I would have done without the both of you. You and your wife. Thank you so much.
You
say...
Oh, yeah, balloon.
You say...
Don't well. Thank you very much.
It's nothing.
Please, take care of her.
Please.
We'll be on our way.
Take care of yourself. Please.
Thank you.
We have to leave now.
We have to leave, oh?
Thank you, DK. Thank you.
Stop crying, no. Stop crying.
DK, I'm talking to you. Can't you see me? DK, can't you hear me?
Lorna, where are you?
I am here.
Hey.
I'm standing right before you. Can't you see me?
It's okay, my dear.
I promise never to leave you. I am here. Look at me. Can't you see me?
Lorna, you've never portrayed this type of attitude since the day you married me. Where are you? Where have you gone to? What's going on? Where is the man that caused me his heartbeat? Lorna, we have fought this battle together. And now, our Ada is here. And you're not here! Hey!
I believe he will come back. Okay, please. I know he will return.
From where? From where exactly, Mama? Mama! I need to go and look for my husband. Mama!
It's okay, please come. Your daughter, she's craving for breast milk. Please come and feed her. It's okay. We will be back.
Can't you see me? At least you can hear me.
Yeah.
If I am...
You will come back. I believe.
Obim!
You will come back. Okay. Let's go inside.
Mama!
Oh no.
Mama!
Don't worry.
Mama, this is me. Can't you see me? Can't you see...
Oh.
Hey!
Mama. Let's go.
Yes, this is me. You can see... You can see me.
Welcome home. Oh no.
No! 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 Mama! Mama!
Let me go and make something.
Mama, I'm coming.
Disobedience. Crafted from the darkness, between stars we are. You have become proving deaf ears to the demands of your sisters.
Be the witch you were born to be. Tender your offspring to us.
Never! I am not yours to command. I will pledge no allegiance to you and your kind. I repeat, and I repeat again, I will never subject to you, whoever you are, whoever you represent. I am a child of light, and darkness paves way whenever we are ignited.
Punishment beyond human imagination you shall be graced with. One more chance is given to you. Be the witch you were born to be. Tender your offspring to us.
I will not. I will not. I repeat, I will never subject myself to your kind.
That which is important to you, his life is dangling on the rope of the altar of afterlife. You have limited time to adhere, else he will become an ass.
My husband! My husband! My husband!
Can you see me?
Yes. I can see you.
Thank you. I have been wandering about, searching for people to look at me, to hear me, but none can. I'm so happy you can hear me. You can even see me. Thanks to the gods. Finally, someone can see me. Finally. Thank you. Please help me. I don't know.
What's going on here? That's my body. Lying lifeless on the floor.
Wait. Am I dead? Am I a spirit? Please, do everything within your power to see me go back to this body. I don't understand. Am I truly dead?
Yes. You died.
How? When?
Guy, maybe this guy now. What did they do now?
I don't buy him now.
This guy, see the guy wait for show us now. See him now. Ha!
Guys, see, Baba, move this guy. No time. Move him. Ha! Come. Please, you need to help me get back to this body. I need to go back home. I need to go back to my wife and my child. Please, don't allow me to die. Please, don't allow me to die.
Wait. I will look for people. I will look for more people to help carry your body. But don't touch your body yet. Don't touch your body yet. If I am Ojamwa, if I am the one the spirits of the old has ordained to be the keeper between the living and the dead, then I command your spirit to go back into your body.
How dare you? How dare you tread on the path of the Night Mothers? Why do you wish to start a brutal, unseen war between the Black Spirit and the ancestors?
Apologies, Mother of the Night. I did not make findings before proceeding.
A man who forgets to ask questions makes himself vulnerable to lose. I can see you have clearly lost the ability to seek, so you shall fight.
Once again, apologies. Apologies, Mother of the Night.
You wish to see that person who has put you in the ways of misery? She who has sworn to see you dead? She who has sworn to see you dead?
I beg you, help me. Whoever you are, help me. I do not deserve to be here. I do not deserve this pain and penury, please. I need to go back to my wife and my child, please.
Little did you know that she is the cause of where you are today. Tell her to give us what belongs to us, and we shall set you free.
No. My wife? My wife is not capable of wishing me dead. No! Please, I beg you. My wife is there. She's worried. She's worried thinking about my safety. Please.
She feels. Then your body will meet its final death. And you will be damned for all eternity. This is Mbeleku's voiceover for Sin 63.
Please, help me and talk to my wife. Tell her to give them what belongs to them, please. I need to live here.
Let the night
bear us witness.
Let the sparrows
Bear us witness.
let the owl,
Bear us witness.
let the cats,
Bear us witness.
let the moon,
Bear us witness.
and let the stars.
Bear us witness.
For we stand on the ashes of what we used to be, to claim that which is ours. For ours it is, and no one dares to take it away from us. You tore the rift of our agreement by bringing forth an offspring before your coronation as a witch. Therefore, we shall sacrifice her and lay claim on her soul before your ordination.
By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death. By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death. By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death. By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death. By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death. By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death. By bone we break the seal. By blood we call the oath. By name red moon calls with death.
Where's my baby? 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 Mama, where's my baby? Mama, yes, Mama, where's my baby? Mama, where's my baby? Mama, okay, Mama, my baby. Mama, where's my baby?
How do you feel when what is yours is taken away from you? Do you feel alright? I guess the answer is no. That is exactly how we feel right now. Because you deny us that which is ours, and that is you.
I will never be yours. I will say it over and over again. Give me back my baby. She is innocent. It is me you want.
Very well done. Are you ready to give yourself to us?
Never. I will never be a living sacrifice to an other I know nothing about. I will never inherit a bloodline curse. Never!
You talk like a child, which you are. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Your time is limited. If you delay us, we shall take her by force.
Where is my baby? Where is my child? Tell me!
Is it not your time I go back home? I need to speak with my wife.
Like I said earlier, we shall visit your home at sunrise. A lot is happening in the rain. But be still. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Greetings to you too.
I am Ojamwa, the intercessor between the living and the dead.
You mean the necromancer?
As people call me, I am here with a message.
Where is my husband?
He's here.
He's here.
But you can't see him.
I can't see him.
I saw his body. And when I want to call back his spirit to his body, I was stopped by the mothers of the night. They warned me to tell you that the life of your husband is in your hands. If you want him to return to you, then you must give them back what is theirs.
Obim, if I am, please, if you have anything that belongs to them, please, give it back. I want to come back. I want to come back to you and my child, please.
She can't hear you.
Okay, so where is my husband's body?
He is on the final stage of transition. If you do, he will join his ancestors and never return.
So because I refused to give in, he wants my husband. An innocent man that has done nothing to you all. Is that not the height of wickedness? How wicked can you all be? Have you not suffered me enough? What else do you want from me? Why do you want my husband? Mama, where is my baby?
She is in the house. She is sleeping. I can't bring her here.
How could you, Mama? You left my baby at the detriment of those witches. Knowing fully well you caused all this. And you left her all alone. How could you?
When the cloud is dark, is the sign of rain. The desert is always dry. Chimo comes with you. Oh, comes with you.
The time is here, child. Be the witch that you were born to be. Embrace the path that the Night Mothers have set upon you and embrace your destiny.
not sleeping. What is it?
I had a bad dream. A very bad dream.
A bad dream?
Yes.
Oh. Baby, don't worry. It's only but a dream. Okay? It's a dream, come. Everything will be fine.
Mama, they were cloaked in black. And they said I belong to them. Mama. Mama! Yes. Yes. Mama, is there something you're not telling me? Is there something I need to know? I'm confused.
No, my daughter. Don't worry. I will pray over it. Okay? Yes.
You pray. I will pray over it. Please. Please, I beg of you. Please don't take her away from me. She's my only daughter.
How dare you think you can beg us into letting her be with you? Have you forgotten that this is an order and must be followed? Why do you want this end in your generation? You think it will work? You sacrifice your womb so you can live. Doesn't mean you will let your daughter be.
Please. At least not now. Not now, please. I beg you. I beg you. Temper justice with mercy.
You have 2 days to make it clear to her. Else, we shall make ourselves visible to her.
Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama, who are they?
What?
I saw you talking to them. I heard you begging them for more time. Mama, is there something you're not telling me?
My daughter, I have to be open to you now. You see, there is something you must know. We have a generational curse and debt. Every first daughter must be dedicated to the night mothers. Yes. She must become a witch or be forever damned in the land of the dead, to be chained with your ancestors that refuses to join the witches.
What? Why?
Well, this was a curse placed on us by our great-grandmothers. It has been there from generation to generation. Those wishes you saw, my daughter, in your dream was real. They have come for you, my child.
That is not possible. I will never partake to any bloodline curse. What of you? Why are you not with them?
My dear, I sacrificed my womb
as soon as I had you in replacement of my life because I don't want to join them. And now they have come for you.
May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid. Mama, may the gods forbid. I will never join any witch's coven or whatever it is called. Do you...
Are you okay?
But... You allowed her get pregnant before her coronation into the bloodline of wishes. What a sacrilege you have committed. That child must be given to us. We await her arrival. It is going to be a double coronation in the kingdom of darkness.
Ada!
It is at this moment that I'll have to leave you people. I've done everything I can. There is nothing more I can do.
Please, help me. I don't want to die, please. Help me. Help me return back to my body.
There is nothing I can do. Can't you see? There is nothing I can do. The rest is in the hands of your wife. For I cannot break this covenant.
The time is now. Whether you are ready or not, we shall take you and your child.
No!
I say no.
cannot take her away from me. Take me! Take me instead. Take me! Take me instead! Take me. Now. Not as a witch, but as a sacrifice on behalf of her and my grandchild. Take me. Take me. Take me. Take me. Take me.
Are you certain about this?
Yes.
No!
Yes.
I will let you do no such thing, Mama. You would die for nothing.
No, my daughter. I am old and weak. You should take me. You still have a long way to go. I can let you and my grandchild out of my sight. Let her take me. Take me. Take me!
No! No! Mama! 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 Mama!
Arise! Arise! Arise, my mother! Arise and come to the end of your children! Come and put a stop to discuss! Come and save your children from this country! Come and put to end this country! Come and save your children!
If not for him, I don't know what we should have done.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. At least I didn't die. I'm alive. I'm alive. Thank you so much. Hey, William.
We have to convey greetings to Ajamo.
Of course.
We have to show gratitude.
Yes. He really did a great job.
At last, our generational curse has been removed.
Yes.
Hey,
yes.
We are free. Dear Mama, I missed you.
I miss you too. I miss everyone. Get him one. You're good one. Hey. Ndo. Oh, sorry. Hey. Where to put Ada? She's so beautiful. Hi, Chuko Kikabiama. Thank you so much. I name her Chikaima. So Chuku Kaima. Oh, I am so happy. William, you were to put this beautiful daughter. Hey, Adaulona. I can't delete Chuku. Kuno. I'm so excited. Mama. Chukwu Aluka. Yes. Thank you. Wayo.
Wayo kwa.
Hey. Ne. Asanwa. Oyo. Hi, Iwemifa. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you did. You fought a good fight for our sake. And finally, the generational curse is over! Hey! Come!
Welcome back, my husband.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Sorry, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. Oh. Yes. Oh. Don't blame me. I'm so excited to be back. Why you mama? Mama asaro. Ngwa juwayo. It's been a long time. Mama. Kulungwan. Kulu.
Okay. So bad.
Why? Oyoyo. I can't get enough of you. Come here.